Today we are going to understand artificial intelligence or AI in a very simple way. No complex maths or heavy terms, just try to understand the clear ideas. I'll explain what AI is, how it works, and how concepts like machine learning and deep learning fits inside it. So first, what is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence means making a machine act smart, similar to a human being or how humans think or behaves. Like when we were kids, we were taught that this particular animal is a cat or this particular animal is a dog. So just like we had those images in our mind along with the titles, we used to think and get these similarities with a new picture or a new object like a new cat or a dog. We could understand that this particular animal is a dog, though we have not seen that particular cat or dog in our entire life. But still we could answer that correctly, that species was a dog or a cat. So this way of thinking and giving answers, artificial intelligence does the same thing, but in a more structured way. Humans observe, learn from experiences, and then make decisions. AI tries to give machines that same ability to observe ideas or learn patterns and respond intelligently. One common way of learning is through examples. For instance, if we talk about YouTube suggestions, videos, like if we go to our YouTube suggestion videos, the videos that we have already watched, the YouTube has those data, what your current user, the specific user, what the user likes or dislikes. Then the YouTube tries to give you suggestions based on those specific topics. So what it actually does is it actually calculates maths or does simply tries to find the pattern in your video liking, and then it tries to recommend more of those type of topics so that you can use more knowledge or you can use those resources more. So we in a general way show a lot of pictures or show a lot of samples or datas to those computers, and over time the computer starts noticing pattern inside those pictures. After learning those patterns, we ask the computer to predict something new that the prediction result of is intelligence of the data. So after that, if you talk about some more, there are Google Maps or phone unlock pattern or voice assistant things that are also used in artificial intelligence. Now, if you look at the diagram, the largest circle is artificial intelligence. AI is the broader idea of creating intelligent machines. Inside AI, there are machine learning. Machine learning focuses on teaching computers to learn from data instead of being manually programmed for every task. Inside machine learning, we have deep learning, which is more advanced approach. Machine learning uses algorithms to analyze data. Instead of telling computers exact rules, we give the data and try to figure out the rules on its own. The more data it sees, the better it becomes making decisions. This is how recommendation system or spam detection or maybe many predictive models work. Neural networks and deep learning is basically deep learning is inspired from human brain. It uses something called neural networks, which are made from multiple layers. We are going to be discussing or learning about different type of multiple layers in the furthermore videos. Each layer learns different level of information, from simple patterns at the input level or to complex understanding at the output level. These labels understanding uses representational learning. So data enters into the network as input and passes through multiple layers while learning what is happening. Finally, the system produces an output such as a predicted decision. This is why deep learning works so well for images, speeches, and complex data. So, to summarize, artificial intelligence is overall goal. Machine learning teaches system to learn from data. Deep learning uses brain-inspired networks to learn deeply. That's the foundation of modern AI.